All students, please, we have this question as a small quiz. We have the slope 1/2, and we have this point 2, 5, and we want to write the equation. We want to write the equation in point slope form. ممتاز. انت طالعت المعلومات، شو ناقص؟ هلا انا احطها. اكتب الايكويشن. برافو.
Mister, I write the answer in the chat.
Yes, tell me what is your answer?
It is for number 1, not number 2. Number 2 now I am doing.
Not number 1. I have this information here. We have the slope 1/2 and the point 2, 5. And I want the equation. Okay?
Okay, wait.
Excellent. So we have +5 for Michelle.
It is 4, Mister.
What is the equation here?
Okay, wait.
انت شو اسمك؟ احمد. الله يعطيك العافية. تمام. And Ahmad +5.
Mister, now I do it. It is 1/2x plus 4.
Y equal 1/2x plus 4.
Plus 4, yes.
Plus 4. What is your name?
Ibrahim.
Okay, thank you, Ibrahim. يلا 1 minute. No, just wait. Okay, thank you, Ismail. طيب, check with me, please. As you remember from the lesson of yesterday, the standard form of the equation y equal mx plus v. We have the slope m, but we don't have the value of v, the y-intercept. So what I do to solve v, we can take the point, as you remember, the point here x and here y. They represent the points inside this equation. So what is the value of y? 5 equal m will be 1/2 times x means 2 plus. Okay, so 5 equal 2 times 1, 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. So 2 times 1 over 2 will be 1 plus b. We want to remove 1 from this side, so add the inverse of 1, negative 1 here and negative 1 here. 1 minus 1 will be 0, remains b.
4.
And 5 minus 1 will be 4. Then we have now m and we have now the value of b. So we can write the equation y equal
1/2 x plus.
So also we have 5 marks for Ibrahim. Great work for all. طيب. This method we used yesterday to solve the equation. Today we have a new method. Write an equation in point-slope form. What is the meaning of point-slope form? Point-slope form means y minus y1 equal m x minus x1. We have a new form of the equation of the linear. The name of this form, point-slope form. And the name of this form, y-intercept form. This is the difference between two forms. We can use this form and we can use this form. We will get the same answer. How to use this form to write the equation if we have point and stop. So as you see here, we have y minus. What is y1? As you remember here, x and here y. What is y1? y1, the value of y in this point, will be negative 4. Equal, what is m? m equal 3. Multiply between parentheses, we have here x minus, what is x1? The value of x in this point will be negative 2. Great. So y minus minus, negative times negative will be positive. So we have y plus 4 equal 3, and here x minus minus means positive, so x plus 2. This is the equation. Now we want to graph this equation. We want to graph this linear. Start from where? From the point. Represent the point. And we have here negative 2 in x. Where is negative 2 in x? Negative 1, negative 2. And negative 4 in y. Where is negative 4? This is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, and negative 4. So the point will be here. The first point. And as you know, when you want to draw any line, we want at least 2 points. So we want to represent the second point. From where we can use the slope. When you see the slope 3, means we have 3 over 1. The number up means the rise, the change in the y. And the number down means the run, the change in the x. And as you see here, the change in the y positive means the change will be up. So from this point, go 3 units up. We have 1, 2, 3. Then go 1 unit right. So the second point will be here. So then you can match between the 2 points. you will get the line. We want to solve the second example using the same equation. طيب, I want from all to try to find the equation of this linear using this form. Start, please. Then tell me what is your answer. I want from all to write the equation of this linear using this form, using the point-slope form. Yes, tell me please, what is your answer?
Y minus 1 equal 3, negative 3 over 2, x minus 2.
Great work, Ahmed. Huh? Great work, Ahmed. Who has different answer? شغال. وين حلاك انت اسماعيل؟ وين حلاك؟ شو طلعت معك الايكويشن؟ السؤال الثاني exercise number 2. Yes, Michelle. Excellent, Michelle. Great work.
Mr. I finished it.
Yes, tell me, Ibrahim, what is your answer?
It is y minus 2 equal negative 3 over 2. I put a bracket x minus 1.
Okay, great work, Ibrahim. Thank you. طيب, check with me, please. As we see, this is the standard form. Y minus. So right here, y minus. What is the value of y1? Go to the point. This is x, this is y. So 1. Y minus 1. Always this is x and this is y. So y minus 1 equal. What is the value of m? Negative 3 over 2. Multiply by x. Minus x1 means minus 2. So this is the equation. So the answer of Ahmed and Michelle will be correct. Okay, how to graph this equation? Using the information here, represent at the first the point, 2 in the x, this is here 1 and here 2, and 1 in the y, this is 1 in the y, so the point will be here in this point. Then we want the second point. Use the slope information. We have negative 3 over 2. 3 means the change in the y, and 2 means the change in the x. And you have the slope negative means go down. When you have the slope negative means go down. So we have 3 units down. 1, 2, 3. Then 2 means go right 2 units. 1, 2. So the point will be here. The point will be here. Then match between the 2 points. You will get the linear.
Mr.
تفضل.
Why the 1/2 negative?
Why
The 1/2 negative.
here? Why here negative?
Oh, negative minus that.
minus.
This is the standard form of the equation. Y minus. And here x minus. Okay? Do you have any question here? Is it clear for all? Okay. طيب, if we have 2 points, how to write the equation? If we have 2 points, how to write the equation? So, any equation here, if you use the standard form here, y equal mx plus v, or if you use y minus y1 equal m, x minus x1, you want to know what is the value of the slope. You want to know what is the value of the slope. How to find the slope if you have 2 points? As you remember, the rule of slope y equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. اكتب معي يا اسماعيل. اكتب معي. عم نكتب قوانين هامة. اكتب معي الله يرضى عليك. m equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So, as you see here, you have 2 points. Here we have x1, for example, and here we have y1. And here we have x2, and here we have y2. طيب, y2 equal 10 minus y1 negative 5. Then x2 means 2 minus x1 negative 3.
You should start by x1 or no problem.
No problem. You can represent here x1 and here x2, no problem. Okay? The same answer.
I know that.
Yes, Muhammad?
15 up to 15 and down 5.
Excellent. So, negative times negative positive. 10 plus 5 will be 15 up. And here positive. Negative times negative positive. 2 plus 3 will be 5.
طب بعدين نقسمه ولا خلاص؟
15 divided by 3
By
will be 3. Sorry, 15 divided by 5 will be
3.
3. So we know now, we know the slope. Then how to write the equation? We want to use the second equation. And choose the first point or the second point. You will get the same answer, no problem. So I will choose the first point, for example. So we can write y minus. What is the value of y1 if you choose the first point? Negative 5. So write here negative 5 equal m. What is the value of m? 3. Will be 3 multiplied by.
Oh,
Yes. So x minus, what is the value of x1? Negative 2. Then prepare this equation. Negative, negative, positive. So means y plus 5 equal 3 multiply between parentheses, minus times minus will be positive, x plus 3. So this is the equation. Yes, we can choose this point and we can choose this point.
This point,
This form,
yes.
you can use this form, you get the same equation, but if the question said use point slope form, means choose the second one. Okay? And I want from all to try to find the equation of the exercise number 4. Start, please. اشتغل يا ابني، اجلس كويس، اجلس جلسة طالب بالصف، الله يرضى عليك. ومرة ثانية تشوف دفتر مو ورقة، درس الجاي اللي ما معه دفتر راح امنعه من الدخول. دفتر خاص للماث والكل بده يشتغل داخل الصف، الله يرضى عليك. مثل ما رفاتك عم يشتغلوا حاول تشتغل. طلعت الستوب، شو بقى يعني عليك؟ اكتب الايكويشن. برافو عليك، كويس. محمد Hanai and Michelle, great work. What is your name? Safe. What is your name? Yes. أحمد. ثاني.
Mr. I do number 4.
Yes, tell me, Ibrahim, what is your answer?
It is y minus 7 equal negative 4 over 10 bracket x plus 4.
Great work, Ibrahim, thank you.
Mr.
Yes.
The answer I have same like Ibrahim.
What is your name?
Muhammad Jabri.
Great work, Muhammad. Thank you. This is for Muhammad and Ibrahim. Yes.
For me, y minus 7 equal 4 over 10 and bracket m plus 4.
Brackets then
M plus 4.
x plus 4. Great work, Ahmad. Great work, Michelle. طيب, check with me, please. The first step, we want to solve the slope. M equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. We can choose the first point as x1, y1, here x1, and here y1, and here x2, and here y2. So, y2 means 3, minus y1 means 7, then x2 means 6, minus x1 negative 4, Three minus 7 means minus 4 or negative 4, and down positive 6 plus 4 will be 10. But here remember, when you have fraction, ya Ismail, when you have any fraction, try to do simplest form. Try to do simplest form. Okay? So how to simplify this fraction? Divide up by 2 and down by 2. So means equal negative 4 divided by 2 will be 2, and 10 divided by 2 will be 5. So the value of m will be negative 2 over 5. Now we can write the equation. So choose any point, the first point or the second point, the same idea. We will choose, for example, the second point. So y minus y1, 3, equal m negative 2 over 5 then x minus 6 y2 3 and x2 6.
Y1.
You can choose the first point and you can choose the second point. If you choose the first point and if you choose the second point, you will get the same answer. Okay? If you choose the first point, y minus 7 equal negative 2 over 5 x plus 4. Yes, this is right and this is right. Because in the standard form, the two equations here have the same value. طيب, remember me tomorrow, inshallah, we will continue from number 5. Who has any question about this idea? Dear Ahmad? بالسؤال 4. أيوه. تمام. طلع معك 5 over 2. ارجيني بتساوي. بس نخلص الموديل، بنهاية كل موديل في عندنا كويز. زين؟ انت استخدمت البوينت الاولى. اول شيء البوينت الاولى بدك تستخدم الواي اول شيء، يعني y minus 7 وليس minus 7، لأن 4 minus 4 هي الاكس، الواي شو هي 7، بدك تكون y minus y1. تمام؟ قديش قيمة الواي 1؟ 7. هذا لازم يكون عندك y minus 7 بعدين equal قديش السلوب معك 2 over 5 or negative 2 over 5. بدك تكتب negative 2 over 5 بعدين x minus x1 قديش x1 عندك negative 2 بدك تكتب x minus negative. تعليقين. So time over. This is our period for today. Thank you for your listening. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.